let's look at an example here where we're actually trying to figure out how much we can actually borrow for a loan. So if we scroll up on our page here, you'll see our formula. That tells us our loan amount. It equals our monthly payment times the top of our fraction there. The n is our number of months that we're taking the loan out for, and our I is our monthly interest rate. That is a key term right there. So make sure you note that is your monthly interest rate. It's not, and n is our number of months. So it's not annual interest rate, it's monthly. So you'll have to make sure you adjust for that. So let's look at our problem here. We have the problem, let's say we have about $1,000 a month that can be used to pay off the loan. We are planning on using a 30-year mortgage at an annual interest rate of 9%. How much can we borrow for our loan? So our M, again, is going to be our, remember our M is our monthly payment. I'm going back up here. So our monthly payment, we said we could pay about $1,000 a month. Okay. We plan on using a 30-year mortgage. Remember, N is our time in months. So we have to take our 30-year mortgage, multiply it by our 12, which will give us our 360 months. And then our annual interest rate is 9%, so we need to take our 0.09 and divide it by 12 to get our monthly interest rate, which is the 0.0075. Now that we have everything we know, we can figure out our formula. And our formula was that our L, which is our loan amount, equals our monthly payment times, it's going to be 1 minus our I, or interest rate, in this case our monthly interest rate, which is 0.0075. And we're going to take that 0.0075 and you need to take that to the negative n power. In this case it was negative 360 because we're taking it out for 30 years, which is 360 months. We're going to divide it by our monthly interest rate, which is the 0.0075. And then we will calculate our answer. So let's go ahead, and if you do that in a calculator, which I know that's a cumbersome formula there, if you're doing it in a calculator, I would take the 0.0075, I would multiply that by the negative 360. I would then take 1 minus that value, then divide by the 0.0075, and then multiply by 1,000. And if you follow those steps correctly, you should get approximately $124,282. So that would be the initial amount of loan money that you would want to take, or that you would plan on borrowing for a loan.